how many children do you have?
84.
84.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you. 70 wife, my.
17 wives.
Yes.
That's a lot of wives.
Yeah.
I have one wife, which is enough.
Yeah,
he can understand you.
maybe.
Hello, what's your name? Mohammed, Walid, Sultan,
Abdullah.
Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Hussein, Adia, and
Hanan.
hello, Pahar. Nice to see you. Did you know that you're the 84th child in this family?
This is 83.
Number 83.
Yes. Another one, 84.
84.
Yeah.
Dad's house has 6 rooms. Here he houses his 4 current wives and their 25 children. The other 59 kids live with his 13 ex-wives in other parts of the UAE or are grown up and have families of their own. He showed me around, starting, naturally, with the master bedroom.
This is my special room. This is my bedroom.
Very, very
This
nice.
is my bedroom. I am sleep there. I look this TV.
Yes.
Behind my wife, this.
Yes.
There.
May I ask you, when did you lose your leg?
99.
1999.
1999. What happened?
My car accident.
Oh, really?
If you've got 84 children, I imagine there must be 1 or 2 practical considerations.
So, Mr. Dad, how do you remember all the names?
Wahid book. Malukuma.
I don't remember all the names of the kids actually, but whenever I see the kid, I do my best to remember the name.